Beast, meaning pronunciation, B-E-E-S-T. A beast refers to a large and wild animal, especially one that is dangerous or fierce. It can also be used figuratively to describe a person who is very strong, impressive, or skilled. Simple meaning, beast equals 1, a wild animal, 2, a strong or impressive person. Common uses. 1. Beast noun. A large wild animal, especially one that is dangerous or untamed. Example, the lion is often considered the beast of the jungle. 2. Beast noun, figurative. A person who is extremely skilled, strong, or impressive in a certain area. Example, he's a beast on the basketball court. 3. Beast noun, slang. A person or thing that is very powerful or difficult to handle. Example, the car is a real beast when it comes to speed. Examples daily use sentences. 1. The tiger is known as a fearsome beast in the wild. 2. She's a beast when it comes to coding. She can solve any problem in minutes. 3. The beast roared loudly in the forest, scaring everyone nearby. 4. The athlete trained hard to become a beast in his sport. 5. That was a beast of a car, fast and powerful. Real-life explanation. A beast usually refers to a wild, powerful animal, like a lion or tiger. In a figurative sense, it is often used to describe someone or something that is exceptionally strong, skilled, or impressive in a specific area.